Girls and young women can experience different forms of violence throughout their life, but we can work together to change the cycle of violence. Education is key to preventing and intervening to stop violence against women and girls. Trained practitioners are vital to spot the warning signs and enable child protection and early intervention. Education can increase understanding of forms of violence, the law and human rights, challenge gender inequality, and build respectful relationships. Everyone can campaign to stop the violence. Boys and young men can take an active role. Bystanders can safely intervene, and the media can challenge gender roles, norms and expectations. Tailored perpetrator programs can change violent behaviour. We can work together to change the cycle of violence.